Hey there, it's Judy Kostrencich with the Latitude Group Real Estate at 5550 South Westside Drive in Kearns. This house is priced under $400,000, has 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, fresh paint and carpet upstairs. It's got a Vivint home security system that's great, and all you have to do is make your own contract with Vivint and you have a full security system in this house. It's got a great yard and cute little rambler. Wait till you see inside. It's fantastic. Yay!
Forget about the inside. Who cares about that? Look at this garage. A huge 2-car garage and an amazing workshop. Hi. This is amazing. Especially anybody who likes to do a lot of work, woodwork or metalwork or whatever you might like to work on. You've got space in here. You can't see it, but there's a lot of cabinets and counters back there to work on. So